Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my brand new Mint Mongoose for the month of July. To see what I got, stay tuned. For those of you who are new to my channel, first off, I would like to say welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. Just click on that little subscribe button and click on that little bell, and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified right away. What kind of videos do? I do unboxing videos. I have fashion, makeup, lifestyle boxes. So definitely consider subscribing. I would love for you to join my little family. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, Mint Mongoose, for those of you who don't know, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. You get 3 pieces of jewelry, $15.99 a month, free shipping, cancel anytime you want. You get to pick gold, rose gold, or silver, or you have the option to say surprise me. And also you can pick earrings or no earrings, watch or no watch. Now she has another option also, which is called Mint Mongoose Black. I don't do that one. I might do that one in the future. I'm thinking about it because I'm so in love with this subscription service. But what Mint Mongoose Black is, you get 4 pieces of jewelry and you get 2 fun accessories every month for $22.99. All the other options are the same. Free shipping, cancel anytime you want. Pick gold, rose gold, silver, or surprise. And you get to pick your 2 fun options. So I'm definitely considering doing that. Now I will leave a link down below if you would like to check into it and subscribe yourself. Now with that said, let's go ahead and open this and see what I got. Now when you open it, she includes this lovely little card, and on the back she will tell you the story of what inspired her. And every month she has a theme to her jewelry boxes, or her jewelry bags, I should say. This month's set is a tribute to the many women I have been blessed enough to serve over the last 4 years. So I'm going to start, I went ahead and already unwrapped it, and I'm going to start with the first necklace. I'm going to put it on and then we'll talk about it. Okay, here is the first necklace out, and as you can tell, I choose the rose gold option. Right now I'm trying to build up my rose gold collection. And what she says about this lovely, beautiful necklace is, she said the flakes within the main pendant are meant to resemble each and every woman we have been lucky enough to send a wax-sealed bundle of joy to over the last 4 years. And I will include an up-close side by side here where you can see the lovely little flecks in it. And it's just a lovely little pendant necklace, and it really will dress up any basic t-shirt, any dress, anything. It pops against black. That's why I chose to wear black today, so it would really show up. Now, there's also another necklace to this set, and I'm going to put that on and then we'll talk about that. Okay, here is the second necklace. As you can tell, it's a much shorter necklace, and it makes a beautiful set. What she says about this one is, she says, the sharp angles of the top layer of the multi-layer necklace are meant to resemble the obstacles faced by all the amazing women. So this month is celebrating all the obstacles we all face, and the sharp angles are representing that. So we have the pair of earrings, which will complete the set, and I will be right back and we'll talk about that. Okay, I have the earrings on, and like I said, I will include a side-by-side so you can get an up-close look at the earrings. They are so beautiful and complete the set. Absolutely stunning. So this is definitely one of my favorite jewelry subscription services out there. $15.99, you get 3 pairs or 3 pieces of jewelry. I think it's fabulous, and I am loving the quality of this. Now, I also wanted to let you guys know that I was in Walmart's this weekend, and they had a clearance section going on, and I thought I would just add that onto this little video. Everybody's Walmart's has a clearance section of jewelry. My Walmart's, it's over by the purses and the scarves and the handbags. They had quite a large options for me to choose from. So here's the 2 that I picked. I got 4 pairs of earrings right here for $4.50. And then I also got these threader earrings for $1.50. So for $6, I got 5 pairs of earrings, and I just wanted to share that with you. These are cute. You can see these two right here go well together. I have 2 holes, so I'll put that in my first holes and then put it with that. And then these short stud flower earrings, I believe, go with either one of those. So I think it's a very beautiful set of earrings, and I think this is also very beautiful. So definitely go check out your local Walmart's clearance section. They had all kinds. They had watches, they had kid jewelry, they had all kind of options. Okay, if you guys are liking my videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, thank you. Bye-bye.